Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad AMSYAR bin Muhammad RAZI, and the company that I choose for my internship is LIMPAHAN Engineering at Kelantan. First, moving to the company background, LIMPAHAN Engineering Sdn Bhd is a company of highly passionate people who put solving people pain point as a priority. It is located at Pekalan Cepetu, Kelantan. The company is focusing on high precision machining, metal fabrication, maintenance, repair and overhaul, as well as tools, dies and molds. The company is also active in servicing the energy industry, both in traditional oil and gas offshore operation and the new sustainable green hydrogen generation. The company believes that the precision is the art of the turning challenge into the exquisite, where every movement is a masterpiece. Precision is also an execution power. Next is my roles and responsibility during my internship at the company. My role at the company is as a designer in the operation department. My responsibility first is to design the product needed by engineer. Second, to prepare the design drawing. Third, to prepare the detailed drawing and make an isometric drawing. Fourth, to sketch the product that has been fabricated using SolidWorks. And fifth, to measure the product that has been fabricated. Next, project that I handle during my internship is first to do design drawing of the chemical storage rack. This is a chemical storage rack that has been fabricated. First, I make a rough sketch for the project, which called chemical storage rack that has been fabricated. This is a rough sketch. Next, I taking the measurement for the chemical storage rack using measuring tape in inch or cm. And then I prepare the design drawing using SolidWorks. This is the design drawing that I has made using SolidWorks. Fifth, I prepare the part drawing detail for the chemical storage rack needed by engineer. This is a part drawing or called detail drawing. And fifth, I involve in helping paint the product for a better finishing process. This is a red color of the chemical storage rack. And then I help with placing the chemical and other waste on the rack according to the type, such as coolant oil, paint, and other material that is easy to burn. Next, I do design drawing of the IPC tank. As we can see from the slide, this is the image of the rough sketch that I has sketched that I measure the component. Next, I taking the measurement of the IPC tank using the measuring tape in inch or cm. Then I prepare the design drawing of using SolidWorks. This is the three design drawing that has prepared, starting for the body of the IPC tank, bottom surface of the IPC tank, and neck pattern of the IPC tank. And then I make an assembly drawing for the full IPC tank. This is example of the assembly drawing. And this is example of the detailed drawing that I has made by taking out their dimension and send to the production engineer. I also help in painting the IPC test body, tank base and body, which are red color, and help in place the IPC tank to the specific location. The IPC tank is used for placing CNC machine oil coolant. Next, I also do design in the ashtray and the screw board. This is the design of the ashtray, and this is the design of the screw board. First, I make a design drawing for the ashtray and screw board to be fabricated using SolidWorks. Next, I show the design to the production engineer, and then I prepare the detailed drawing in isometric position. Lastly, I submit the detailed drawing to the production engineer to be fabricated. This is the ashtray board that has been fabricated. The next project that I handle is design the hand wash setting tool of the screw spring. First, I make a design of the screw spring followed by production engineer instruction using SolidWorks, and then I make a detailed drawing and submit to the production engineer. This is the screw spring, and this is a part drawing. Fifth, I make a detailed drawing for the budget or called hand wash setting tools. First, I check and make a detailed drawing. Then I edit the sheet format detail drawing and rename it according to the drawing number list. This is example of the detail drawing that I have checked and made. and this is the format detail that I have given the number and the name. This is a full example of the version or hand wash setting tools that I have made part drawing. And the sixth project I designed the drawing of the component of CNC machine. It has five design for the CNC machine, and I managed to do all the five design of the CNC machine component. I made a design drawing and detail drawing for each component using SolidWorks and measure each component using vernier caliper, includes finding inner and outer dimension component. I also made a part drawing or detail drawing for each component. Next, I also help in 3D printing of the drill holder. I print the drill holder for CNC apparatus using Ultimaker and IdeaMaker 3D printing machine. This is an example of the IdeaMaker, and this is a drill holder that the placement of the CNC machine tools of such as end mill and other components. Next, the subject that I have learned applied during my internship is a SolidWorks scale. For the summary, similar with CATIA V5 software used in UiTM, both is same in defining parameter and constraint. The assembly design which able to create complex assembly consisting of multiple parts and components is also the same. Next is the subject I have learned is a detail drawing or part drawing. By creating a detailed drawing before starting a fabrication project is crucial for quality control and precision in manufacturing. Next, the subject I have learned is a 3D printing machine skill, which similar to the subject that I have learned during lab manufacturing at UiTM, we were able to understand the basic skill of the using machine by setting it up. Next subject that I have learned also is a gain working experience, because it helps to build a confidence level and prepare for a real working field. Then the next subject that I have learned is a type of material. This example of the type of material of the steel. By I understand the steel difference such as aluminium 6061, stainless steel, mud steel, carbon steel, and aluminum steel. I also understand the difference of type screws such as bolt and nuts, socket or cap screw, button screw, and cutter thumb screw. And lastly, I able to learn the basic CNC machine knowledge. By able to know CNC machine tools such as end mills, face mills, center drill or coil chamfers, and the process involved such as cutting and facing. This is example of the CNC machine tools. And next, the challenge that I faced during my internship is that a challenge of using new software such as CATIA V5 to SolidWorks. Next, challenge of using of different 3D printing machine. There are three machines that is different to set up, such as Prusa, Traces 3D, and Ultimaker. Each of the machine have their own setup. Next challenge is deadline of the task given. For example, of the detailed drawing and design drawing deadline submission that I has made have a deadline to be submitted to the production engineer. Next challenge I face is a learning curve. Adapting to a new work environment, company culture, and industry-specific practice can be overwhelming initially to me. Lastly, the precision and accuracy. For example, achieving the required level of precision in measurement, drawing, and manufacturing process can be significant challenge because it follows the precision needed by detailed drawing. Next, the lesson I learned during my internship. First, the lesson I learned during my internship is must be punctual and disciplined at any time. Second, time management and multitasking skill is very important. Third, the must have a strong in basic skill knowledge, especially in SolidWorks and other software. Fifth, have able new knowledge and new improved must have a new knowledge and improved skill. which know how to fulfill tasks given and sharpening the skill that I have already pushed, such as CATIA software, to the SolidWorks skill. Fifth, work hard no matter what you are doing because in order to build a good work ethic. Sixth, adaptability skill. It is important to adapt new teams and working environment. And lastly, to improve network with everyone, especially expand the communication skill with staff, operation and fabrication. This, that's all for me. Thank you.